Welcome! This short video shows how to use a homeschool journal, a simple way for children, families and teachers to connect. The journal helps children reflect on their week, share a moment from school and invite a reply from home. Each week, the child brings the journal home. Together, you can look at what they drew or said and write or draw a short response. This small habit helps children feel seen, supported and proud. It builds trust and makes values like care, empathy and voice come to life. Thank you for being part of this journey. Let's make this journal a bridge between the school and the families.